Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. If you're looking to download the latest official Windows 10 ISO file directly from Microsoft, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll cover two methods. One, using the Windows 10 media creation tool, the easiest way. Two, downloading the ISO directly from Microsoft website using a simple trick. Stay with us until the end as we compare the ISO files downloaded through both methods to see which one has a smaller file size. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. This is Microsoft's official way to download Windows 10. Here's how. Open a web browser and search Windows 10 Download or use the link provided in the description. Click on the first link from Microsoft. Scroll down and click Download Now under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. After the Media Creation Tool 22h2.exe file is downloaded, run it. Click Yes when prompted by User Count Control UAC. Click Accept to agree to the license terms. Select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC and click Next. At this stage, the tool automatically selects the language and architecture based on your current Windows settings. For example, if you run it on a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or 11, it will choose the corresponding language and architecture accordingly. If you need a different version, uncheck the Use the recommended options for this PC box. Then manually select your preferred language, edition, and architecture. If you select both in the architecture section, the tool will download an ISO file that includes both the 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Windows 10. This gives you the flexibility to choose the appropriate version during installation. However, keep in mind that since this option contains both versions, the ISO file will be significantly larger, approximately 8 GB. If you're creating installation media, you'll need a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage or a dual-layer DVD to accommodate the file size. After selecting your language, edition, and architecture, click Next to continue. At this stage, you can create a bootable flash drive by connecting a USB drive to the computer without needing to download the ISO file. However, since the goal of this tutorial is to download the Windows 10 ISO file, select ISO file and then click Next. Choose a location and file name to save the Windows 10 ISO file, then wait for the download to complete. The download time will vary based on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you'll have an official Windows 10 ISO ready to use. Method 2. Download Windows 10 ISO directly from Microsoft without the media creation tool. Normally, Microsoft does not allow downloading the Windows 10 ISO directly on a Windows PC. But you can bypass this using a browser trick. Here's how. We'll show you this method using three popular browsers: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. Using Google Chrome, open Google Chrome and search for Download Windows 10. Click on the first link from Microsoft or use the link provided in the description. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect or press F12. In DevTools, click on the three vertical dots, go to More Tools, and select Network Conditions. Scroll down to the User Agent section and uncheck Use Browser Default. From the drop-down menu, select a non-Windows option such as iPad, Android, or Mac. Refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the refresh button. If you've completed these steps correctly, the option to download the ISO file should appear after refreshing the page. Scroll down to the Windows 10 version 22h2 section. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO from the drop-down menu and click Confirm. Choose your preferred language and click confirm again. Click the 64-bit or 32-bit download button depending on your needs. The ISO file will begin downloading. The download time will vary based on your internet speed. Using Microsoft Edge. If you're using Microsoft Edge, go to the Windows 10 download page on Microsoft's website. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. In DevTools, click Plus and select Network Conditions. In the User Agent section, uncheck Use Browser Default to disable it. From the drop-down menu, select a non-Windows option such as iPad, Android, or Mac. Refresh the page, scroll down to the Windows 10 version 22H2 section and follow the same steps as in Google Chrome to download your preferred version. Using Firefox. If you're using Firefox, the process is even easier. Open Firefox and go to the Windows 10 download page. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus M to open responsive design mode. Click on responsive and select a non-Windows option such as iPad, Android, or Mac. Refresh the page, scroll down to the Windows 10 version 22H2 section and follow the same steps as in Google Chrome to download your preferred version. Comparison of the two methods. If you choose to download the ISO file using the media creation tool, there are a couple of key advantages. First, the tool automatically detects and selects the language and architecture based on your current Windows settings, making the process easier. Additionally, the ISO file size will be approximately 1 GB smaller compared to downloading it directly from Microsoft's website, as the media creation tool compresses the files more efficiently. So, if saving storage space is important to you, the media creation tool may be the better option. Additionally, it uses less data from your internet connection, which can be especially beneficial if you have limited bandwidth. And that's it. Now you know two methods to download the latest official Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.